Want to unlock the secret to reeling in redfin like a pro? This ultimate guide to bobber fishing will give you the edge. First, let's gear up. You'll need a medium action rod and reel combo, monofilament line between 6 and 8 pound test, a selection of bobbers, some split shot sinkers, and some size 6 or 8 hooks. Don't forget your bait. Worms, maggots, or small yabbies work great for redfin. Now, let's rig your line. Thread your line through the bobber, and then tie on your hook next. Pinch a split shot sinker onto the line about 12 inches above the hook. This helps keep your bait down. Adjust the bobber depth by sliding it up or down the line. Start with a depth of around 2 to 3 feet, but experiment depending on the water depth and where the redfin are holding. For the best results, look for areas with structure like submerged logs, weed beds, or rocky outcrops. Redfin love to hang out in these spots. Watch your bobber closely. When it twitches, dips, or disappears completely, set the hook with a swift upward motion, then reel in your redfin, keeping steady pressure on the line. Practice these tips, and you'll be catching redfin in no time. Now get out there and test it out for yourself.